Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Austin, Tennessee on the Stryker SR-655HP. Austin, I got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. You showed me a Carl built 4-peel that you're going to run it with, straight forward. So what we did is we set it up, RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Turns down to 2 watts just in case you need full adjustability. And if you want to run barefooted, it'll roll up to 20 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, that 46 bird. Peak power to go into the 4-peel. Hello, and even if we roll it down here to 2 watts. Hello, still getting 100 watts peak. Austin, this will be a dandy of a radio for you. I think you're really going to enjoy it, and I really appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.